Welcome to another season of TurboTax Tips. Real advice for real people. Get your taxes done right anytime, from anywhere. In the next part of our series called Ways to Increase Your Tax Refund You Never Thought About, we're finding out more about the Earned Income Tax Credit and what it can mean for your bottom line. The Earned Income Tax Credit, also known as the EITC, helps working people who have a moderate to low income. If you qualify, it not only lowers the amount of taxes you owe, it may even put a tax refund in your hand. Just how little do you need to make to get the credit, you ask? Well, that number changes based on how many qualifying children you have. But no worries, people without kids can qualify too. Besides having a low to moderate income, there's a few other qualifications. First, to receive the Earned Income Credit, you must file a tax return, even if you owe no taxes. Second, you need to have a Social Security number. You also need to be one of these: a U.S. citizen or resident alien. Also, this credit isn't being handed out to people who are living off investments. To get in on this credit, you must have earned income from an employer or from self-employment. Another restriction is that you can't be claimed as a dependent or be a qualifying child of another person. In addition, you must be between the ages of 25 and 65 and living in the U.S. for at least half the year and not have more than $11,950 in investment income in 2025. So, not having a lot of money may mean you don't owe as much when it's tax time, and you may even get some back. Want to find out if the EIC is in your future? TurboTax can help you figure out if you're eligible so that you don't leave money on the table. That's all for today. And remember, with TurboTax, you can hand your taxes over to a TurboTax Live tax expert available in English and Spanish and get your taxes done from start to finish, all from the comfort of your home. And don't forget to tune in for another episode of TurboTax Tips, because doing your taxes is easier than you think.